Hey guys, the one, the only Nature Nathan. I went for a little walk today on this beautiful weekend and I saw these lovely birds playing, so I thought I'd drop this video just to show you guys what I was looking at today. Nothing more prettier than nature, fall, the leaves are changing, and of course the wildlife's still moving around. So hey, we're just gonna let this pan through and hopefully you guys enjoy what I got to see with these beautiful birds, and hit the subscribe button for more with the Nature Nathan and more to come with animals, fishing, and everything else. I'll see you guys soon.